Hey guys, so today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a variation on traditional roasted cauliflower, chia seed roasted cauliflower. You heard right, they're not just for breakfast anymore. So I'm going to cut the stem off of my cauliflower and then cut the cauliflower into florets. So the larger the florets, the longer it's going to take to cook, and the smaller the florets, the quicker it will take to cook. So I'm going to go medium sized. I have my oven set to 400 degrees, and you're going to cook these when they're done for about 20 to 25 minutes until they're fork tender. I have a parchment lined baking pan because parchment is the best thing ever. You just don't need olive oil on the bottom, nothing sticks to it, and it's an easy cleanup. So for every head of cauliflower, you're going to use approximately 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. Chia seeds, they are a powerhouse. They have, for every 2 tablespoons, 10 grams of fiber and 6 grams of protein. So now I have the cauliflower prepped. I'm going to do about 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. I'm just eyeballing it more or less. And then I'm going to do SPOG, which is a sprinkle of salt. I'm going to say about a teaspoon of salt, about a half a teaspoon of pepper, and then we'll just say a half a teaspoon of onion and garlic powder. And then I'm going to finish it off with some crushed red pepper flakes because I like it a little spicy. You could totally omit this if you want it. You could also do parsley and lemon. That's a good one with this. And then you're going to add about 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. So it kind of looks like you're sprinkling ants on the cauliflower, but it's not. And then you're just going to get your hands in there, the best kitchen tools there are, toss them up, and like I said, put them in a 400-degree oven for about 20 to 25 minutes until they're golden brown and roasted to perfection. I will show you the finished product, but they already look just yummy. I love the red from the crushed red pepper flakes and the black from the chia seeds. So I'll see you in a few. Roasty toasty, the chia seeds have popped a little bit. You got a perfect side dish ready to go. Look at these bad boys. Look how golden brown they got. Chia seeds got nice and toasted. I can even smell the crushed red pepper flakes a bit. So you guys gotta try this recipe. Let me know what you think. Try it with broccoli, try it with asparagus, Brussels sprouts. Serve it with my chia seed crusted salmon in my other video. And you are gonna have a very fiberful lifestyle very shortly, courtesy of me.